I know in a previous video I made fun of the Tech2, but I legit just bought one and I thought it would be funny to show it in the next video. That was about 5 months ago, so I guess it lost some of its comedic value. But here it is. I finally got one and it's a super cool and usable piece of history. This is the first video in a full in-depth Tech2 series, from getting it set up to finally programming your Saab with it. The setup process was absolute hell. I spent hours going through forums and low-res videos of boomers with their original Tech2 that they paid over $2,000 for, only to be used by their C5 Corvette. I'm only joking here. Now this is a replica Tech2 from Alibaba. Not a fake, but a replica. What up, Rep Fam? Before we start the unboxing, I have a list of everything that you're gonna need in the description below. Altogether, it's just under $500 to have this up and running. I actually opted for the briefcase, which was like $20 extra, and it looks super cool, so it's definitely worth the money. In this special briefcase, you get the Tech2, a candy module for CAN bus module communication, a variety of power cables that allows you to plug into wall outlets, your cigarette lighter, or hook up the Tech2 to your battery terminals, an RJ45 cable that looks like an old phone cable with a loop back as well, RS-232 cables and adapters, and finally a copy of TIS 2000. That you can go ahead and throw out. The only necessity that you really need to purchase is one of these serial to USB trip light adapters, and it must be this trip light branded one in order for it to work. I don't know why, but you just have to do it. An optional extra is a Windows XP laptop from eBay for like $50. Now enjoy this montage of me putting the stickers on the Tech2. I hope you guys like this first video in the series. This is one of many getting this set up, and trust me, there are many ways to get this thing set up. Thank you all for watching.